everyone, thanks for visiting my channel. I am Britt the Affiliate and I am coming to you to talk about passive income, how to make money online, and so many other things. So overall, the importance of being able to make passive income means that you can spend time with your family. It means that you can spend time doing the things you love with the people you love without having to worry about the money piece. You don't have to worry about a 9 to 5. You don't have to worry about doing all of these things that society always tells you to do. Go to college? No way. So those kind of things you don't have to do in this case. So overall, I have been wanting to kind of break down the barriers as far as affiliate marketing and doing an affordable class. The affordable class piece of it is key for me. So one of the things that I did, I was scrolling through YouTube, I was scrolling through TikTok and Instagram, trying to figure out ways that I would be able to start making money online for my family, whether it just be an additional, $200 or $300 extra a month, whether it be $1,000 or $2,000 if I got really lucky, or replacing that income and being able to stay home with my kiddos. So what I'm here to talk to you about today is my Amazon Money Master Course. So there are $200 and $300 options out there of how to make money doing affiliate marketing. However, it is not going to be the case. Whether it be the $7, $200, $300 course, you want to make sure that you know, pinpoint to a specific area what I need to do, step-by-step tutorials, and I have that information for you with my Amazon Money Master Course. It teaches you how to be an Amazon affiliate, an Amazon influencer without having to post things to your social media account. This course has 25 modules that takes you completely step-by-step all the way through. The course also comes with a Facebook mentorship program and one-on-one mentorship program with myself to be able to walk you through how to get through all of the obstacles that Amazon may throw your way, because I want to make sure that you can start making money online today. So if you are looking for an affordable course that's going to be able to teach you how to get into the affiliate program, the influencer program, how to unlock on-site commissions, how to get free products, and so much more, you will want to make sure to check it out in my Stan Store, because it has so much information packed in. The $200, $300 course, it covers the same information. You probably wouldn't get as good of a mentorship, and this program is meant for success. This program is meant to get you into the influencer program, getting 20 to 30 second Amazon review videos pushed and promoted by Amazon to get you commissions on a daily basis. I have been an Amazon influencer for over a year now, and I have made so much passive income while I've been doing different things with my kids, taking them on vacations from the money that I'm getting from Amazon deposited into my account each month. And I want that for you as well. So make sure to go ahead, check it out. If there's any comments, questions that you want to put them down below. The link is going to be in this caption. You'll be able to check it out and start learning how to make passive income with an affordable course. This course is going to be all that you need to start making money with Amazon Influencer Program, and I'm going to help you through it.